Hey guys, so in this tutorial we are going to learn how we can install Node.js in Ubuntu operating system. So for this I'm going to run Ubuntu operating system in my Windows system by using WSL. So I don't have separate Ubuntu systems to show how we can install Node.js. So basically it is the same thing. So in Windows operating system itself by using WSL, I am going to install Node.js. So let's get started. So I will just start my WSL with Ubuntu system in it. So it is getting started. So let's wait. So here first of all we must run few commands to install Node.js. So first of all we must upgrade our Ubuntu system. So just enter apt update and enter the password. Okay, so this will just update the apt latest version. So now using this particular apt you can install the Node.js. So let it get complete. So let me clear the screen. So next command is sudo apt install Node.js npm y. So this is installing Node.js with npm package, that is Node Package Manager. By just running both the commands you are able to install Node.js in our system. So let's check if it got installed or no. So just enter node version, node-version v. So you can see 18.19.1 version of Node.js got installed in our Ubuntu system. So npm version, so the npm version is 9.2.0. Okay, so this is how we can install Node.js in Ubuntu system easily.